This is an electronics lab. And this is also an electronics lab, the smallest one in the world. It lets anyone design, build, and debug circuits and bring their ideas to life from anywhere in the world, even if they've never touched electronics before. nLab replaces these 3 machines while being able to fit in your pocket.
We know it works because thousands of students at these universities have used nLab. But education is changing. You shouldn't need a degree or a bunch of math to start building. But learning on your own is tough. Tutorials are scattered all over the internet.
And then there's the dreaded Amazon rabbit hole. Good luck finding all the parts you need. And on top of that, you still need all of this to get started. Which begs the question, why has tech evolved so much, but the tech we use to build our tech hasn't changed a bit? Well, we're here to change that. Let's give this lab a makeover. Introducing the nLab Starter Kit. Everything you need to learn and build electronics all in one box. It all starts with this guy. Just plug it in, open the app, and watch as your computer does everything these machines can do on a clean, sleek, super easy to use interface.
The nLab can supply power, generate signals, and see inside your circuit to help you fix it when things go wrong.
Inside the kit, you'll find over 200 essential components that make up the gadgets you use every day. Because the best way to learn tech is by building it.
You'll build 12 projects, including a pulse monitor, a synthesizer, a weather station, and so much more, all while mastering the fundamentals of light, sound, sensing, and computing. But how are you actually going to learn this stuff? Not like this. Like this.
We're your instructors. Our tutorials are designed to feel less like a lecture and more like a game, where you level up in real time. And that's why this is not just a kit for engineers. It's for anyone who wants to learn how to build.
Maybe you're an artist looking to add tech to your creations. Or a tinkerer who wants to upgrade their workbench.
Or maybe you're someone like me who was looking for a career change. I had always dreamed of being a robotics engineer at Disney. And at university, I had good grades, but zero hands-on experience. Encountering nLab changed my life. I was able to build a tech portfolio that propelled me into an amazing career, including my dream job as a Disney Imagineer.
It's so cool to see my invention opening doors. In 15 years of teaching, I've seen too many brilliant ideas get stuck because students didn't have the tools or the confidence to build them. I made nLab to level the playing field and worked for years to make it as affordable as possible so everyone could have one.
No subscriptions, no paywalls. You buy it once and you own the tools and the knowledge forever.
This is not a toy you're going to use just once. This is a professional tool you'll use to design, build, and debug for years to come.
Inside your starter kit, you get the nLab, the app, 200 components, 12 projects, and free YouTube tutorials. And you're joining our community of amazing people who want to be part of this education revolution.
Because we want to give everyone, everywhere, the power to build with electronics.
Back us on Kickstarter, and let's build the future together, one circuit at a time. Oh my God, we did it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.